Just getting you in the mood for Christmas?
Yeah. I've already wrapped presents though. I was already in the mood for Christmas.
You've wrapped presents?
3 for you. And 1 for Fraser.
Jesus.
One of them's only, it's like a crappy dollar thing though.
Let's go. Uh-oh, this is the most evil area. Nothing but baddies up here.
Crows.
Change your skin if you don't want to fight in that.
What do I want to fight as? A Grubbin?
Yeah. Or French fry. We haven't seen French fry.
Yeah, we have.
Not this playthrough though, right? You're not into the French fry?
You know what we haven't seen is the intro to some of them. Because only the player one, you get to see his intro, not the
True.
others. I haven't seen the ninja
Snark.
power up.
You can talk to the crows without fighting them.
Oh, okay, thanks. Love the box on the butt.
I'm gonna be a unicorn
Yes,
1 year for
dude.
Halloween.
Yeah, man, that's so cute.
Viva Rapagia! I don't have much, but I'll help in any way I can. Quack! Forgot. Bird voice.
Thank you. 1025 tender.
Viva Rapagia! I consider this an investment in Rapagia's future, Squawk!
It's a good way to think of it. 1080.
I've got better things to do than wait around for a Yeti. I'm so sick of you pushy tourists! Viva Rapagia! Araxia gives crest whalers a bad name to everyone in the Grubbin. What?
I don't know.
Trap. What's this guy
What's
doing?
that?
Oh, fuck.
What?
What?
That almost gave me a heart attack. It felt like I couldn't move there for a second. Throw bag.
Oh, he's lying down. I thought that was his
I got
head.
stuck between him and the fence for a split second there. That was fucked up.
What would you do?
Step right up. Try bobbing for eyeballs. Ew, did you say bobbing for eyeballs? Yes, indeed. It's a Yeti Fest tradition. Give it a try. You must be out of your mind. Why would I put eyeballs in my mouth? Candy and prizes.
Look at his stash, man.
Whose eyeballs are they anyway? They're candy eyeballs, silly. We're not monsters. Well, we are monsters, but, well, you know what I mean. In that case, maybe a few eyeballs wouldn't hurt. Grab as many as you can before the time runs out. Yellow eyeballs are rare and worth more points than regular eyeballs. Also, you want to avoid biting the ones with pink eye. Pink eye. Go! Forget how this works again. I want green ones, right?
And you move over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
It's about
Getting the right colors.
prioritizing
Yeah.
when they came up.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Damn.
Problem.
Oh!
I wasn't even paying attention.
Wow, you're pretty fast. Almost throwback fast. I just wanted to get it over with. Actually, the eyeballs didn't taste half bad. Well, this candy will taste even better. Ta-da! 20 candies. Enjoy!
1162. MLG.
Okay. Aw.
This is cute. It's like a little dinosaur.
I thought I saw a Yeti earlier, but it was just a booger in my eye. Fuck.
Ew.
Right. Stop! I'm trying to savor the moment. Forgot to do this guy. I don't think you understand how this game works. I got things better to do than wait around for a Yeti. Oh, I think you already, yeah.
Yeah, there's multiple levels of that eyeball game, like there was in the first episode.
Yeah, the Yeti hates us. Are we even watching the right cave? No one told me it was cold up here. I got frostbite in my face. Security! Wrong holiday. Pale Bash Rest is next month. I had this spot first. I think maybe the Yeti retired. You tourists think you own the place. Jesus. We're borderline vandals here.
Yeah, dude.
Ooh, that's a pretty cool snowman.
Yeah.
Yeah, most kids' snowmen's really lack inspiration.
That's neat, though.
Yeah, that's awesome.
And you're ruining it.
Sorry.
You ruined it.
You ruiner. That's Sherry and Terry. You ruined it, you ruining ruiner. Remember?
No, don't.
It's in one of the Simpsons. Help me out, chat.
Yeah, help us out.
Got another warlock here. I gotta get a look
What's
at
the
these
difference
warlocks.
between a warlock and a wizard?
I didn't really notice the intro.
Warlocks are boobs.
Damn.
Huh?
Pudgy Archpriest. Oh, here he goes. Healed himself.
Oh, boy.
Now we might be able to use our shit. They're getting stronger.
Warlocks are male witches. So, what's the difference between a male witch and a wizard? Oh, let's see here.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Nice one. Now you're shoo-in. Oh. Damn, Ren's down.
Doesn't really matter here, but I think I actually can revive. My Little Pony. Yeah. I'll do the anthem. Don't bring me down, Bruce. Wow. Katsuni Shroud. Oh yeah, this makes me like hidden or something, or? Makes me hard to hit, maybe?
Yeah.
I guess we'll find out.
Oops.
Dodge.
Dodge, sweet.
Wizards really have to have their wands to have any power?
Yeah. Harry Potter sucked.
Good one, no.
He doesn't even have powers without a wand. What a piece of crap. So was what's his
Hey,
face?
there's a kid.
Ganondorf powerless without a wand too? This costume's so degrading. Or what's his name?
Dumbledore?
Dumbledore.
Ganondorf. I was wondering what you were asking there.
I had more candy in my pocket when the elders were in power. Let's get them back.
Oh. Man.
Yeah, I don't think he meant to salute me.
Oh.
Here's the elder. Hey, you're the elder here, right? Can you flick your lever so we can get through that gate? Everyone knows I can't open the gate until the Yeti Fest. How long do we have to wait for you to finish celebrating Yetis?
Well, once every 3 years, the Yeti comes out of his cave to signify another 3 years of prosperity. But this time, he hasn't emerged. With Ataraxia taking over, it's just another topping on our bomber sandwich.
Maybe he just overslept or something.
The Yeti is a lot of things, but Tardy is not one of them. Something is awry.
Well, how about we solve the case of the missing Yeti and you open that gate and return?
You get that Yeti to show his mug, you'll have yourself an open gate.
Whoop, whoop.
One Yeti coming up.
Let's do it.
All right. Talk to him, or can I? Oh, can I get the drop on him? Leave these monsters alone.
Is he all alone? Just one guy? Oh, no, he turned into 3.
What the? Oh, that's the drop on them I got.
He's called a cultist.
Who is?
That dude you just killed.
Oh.
Sweet stance, man. What's a cultist?
Someone who's in a cult?
Occultist?
Occult. The occult is something different.
Apoc just said, please don't ask what a cultist is now. So I did.
Doing it right in the city. Working for the man every night and day.
Love that anthem. Nice one.
What is the first bit of that song? Something in the city.
A job
Left it
in the
looking
city.
for a job?
Oh wait.
I always say doing it right. Doing it right in the city.
Yeah, that's not it.
Working for the man every night and day. Doo-ba-doo-ba-doo.
Left a good job in the
Still
city.
have to ride on a riverboat queen.
Riverboat queen in the
Train.
city. Yeah.
Train.
Doing all the city things for me. She's my time to dancer.
Oh yeah, that's a good song. 16, 46, 51. Woohoo!
Yeah, candy corn kid.
It doesn't make any sense to dress up as candy. They know we're kids already. They are just lying to themselves.
Sweet, only one more kid.
Oh.
Jupiter.
Was I supposed to go over here?
I don't know.
Looks like it.
I think I'm solving the Yeti mystery, yeah.
Nobody else could do that.
Playing hooky. Achievement. Whoa. Woo! There we go. I think we're onto something.
I think so too. Hey, we leveled up again.
Yeah.
We're at level 13.
Hi guys. Oh,
Yo.
don't be alarmed. What the?
He's got a sleeping bag.
Hey, have you seen the Yeti around here?
No one will ever see the Yeti again. My Yeti costume is ruined.
Uh-oh.
Ha! You are the Yeti?
was the Yeti. I accidentally left my costume in the dryer on high heat. It shrunk 4 sizes.
But you have to make an appearance. Everyone is freaking out. We need to get through that gate open.
Look, only a vertically challenged monster or human child could. That's it.
Hold on, you want me to wear that
Yeti
thing?
costume?
Nice.
Yes, you can save Yeti Fest. All you have to do is show your face and they'll go nuts.
Sweet.
Oh, hey!
Oh, that is sweet.
I love
Oh,
that
wow.
costume. What costume haven't I loved? Aww.
Yetis aren't really a thing anymore for kids, are they?
Dryer. Washer and
Ask a
dryer
kid
over
what a
there.
Yeti is, he's not gonna know. Times
I
have
will.
changed.
The kids,
Yeah.
weren't the kids talking to you in the summer about Yetis?
They
I
didn't
don't know,
know.
I forget.
No, they were talking about...
Actually, one of my nephews was obsessed with Yetis.
Weird.
Oh.
Yeah.
What got them all obsessed with Yeti?
I'm not sure what got
They're
him
loving
obsessed.
this. We make a pretty good Yeti.
Yeah, man. Don't just walk around in it.
What, Justin Bieber sing like a song about Yetis or something? Did a Yeti get on American Idol?
Might be it.
Nephews don't watch that shit.
The Yeti Fest is a boon to our economy. I knew crime would increase with this influx of tourism.
Wait, what do they think if I talk to them as the Yeti? Oh,
Aw.
I think the build-up was better than the actual thing.
Aw.
all right.
The Yeti lives. That was unreal. I'm starting to think Yeti was a hoax.
I was starting that guy.
Finally, now we can move on with our lives.
The Yeti was shorter than last time. I wonder if he has bad bones. All right. So now I can go tell
The elder?
the elder about it. Where'd he go?
He's up there.
Wow, Mr. Yeti, you're so much smaller in person. Can I get some hot cocoa, a snack, or...
Just open the gate, please. Roar!
Right away, Mr. Yeti!
What do you have done if I went not as the
Yeah, I
Yeti?
wonder.
I wonder if a smaller Yeti means it will be less prosperous.
You're messing with their minds,
Maybe if I had
man.
gone to him originally, he would have said, like, I don't believe you. Or I wasn't there to see it, and then I would have
maybe.
had to change to show him.
Oh, I want to see this Yeti in action.
When we come back, yeah, maybe we'll see the Yeti in
Yeah.
action. We're gonna be headed up even closer to, we must be, I think we're ready to go to Araxia or whoever this girl is, or whoever's taking over. I don't even know who this person is. Stay tuned, we'll be back after this with more Costume Quest is Awesome on Video Games Awesome Live.